Alright, you're welcome once again to this video series on how to start doing importation. This is Mildred Opera coming your way once again. In this particular video, I want to show you how to it's still on sourcing for products on Alibaba, but this particular one is a new one that I want you to know about, so that even if you have products that you have in your system and you want to search for them online, you can on this AliExpress. You can do it, like this icon here. This is a camera icon. Click on that camera. It's another way to source for products. Even if you don't want to type it, maybe you have an item that you see somewhere and you like it, you want to import it, you just go to your system. It takes you to your system. This is a watch, a lady's watch. Click on it, open. So it brings you, it uploads the item to the site, and they will bring out all the similar items, all that are related to this particular watch. You can see what I'm talking about. You understand? This is it. So let's look at this particular watch, for instance. Okay, they said 30 pieces minimum order quantity. So it means if you are buying 30 pieces, that is when you'll be able to buy this watch at 1,230 naira 74 kobo. But if you are buying more than that, depending on how many, if you are buying up to 40, 50 or 60, maybe the price will come down to 205. That is how these markets are, because they're manufacturers. So they look at it as stressing themselves, shipping all these things for you. So if you are buying more, the more you buy, the more they sell, because they are manufacturers, you understand, the more, the lesser the price. So with this, if you are buying 30, they are giving you for this price. And this watch, I think is it comes with a hand bangle also. I think so. It comes with a bangle. So I think it's 2-in-1. Wrist watch, stainless steel, brand watches, men wrist watch. Okay, so this particular item sells for 1,200, but if you are buying more than 30, you can buy it as 205 naira. You understand? That is how it goes. So the minimum they can sell is 30 pieces, and that 30 pieces you're buying it high, 1,200, which is expensive. It's expensive. But like I said before, I have already talked about reviews. I'm not going to talk about it again. Click here. This is the company's name. Click here. You're able to see reviews. Go to their profile and click on customer transactions, and then click on reviews. You will be able to get reviews on this particular thing. I don't want to go back to that again. I've already said it in the previous video. So that is all for now. Also, there is another thing I'm going to be talking about, but before then, let me see. This watch now, if you want to download image, these days AliExpress don't really allow people to download. Alibaba, most of their sites now don't allow people to download image again. Initially it was not so, but let's see if we can get this image here. If you want to get it, I'm going to go back again so that you will see what I am doing. Before you want to get this image, this is what you do. You right click on your or your phone, anywhere, you right click, and then you click on inspect. Click on inspect, and then this will open up another small window for you. Then with that window, it will highlight the link for this particular video to download this. This watch. To be able to download this watch, this is the link. So you now click on it here. It will open up in another page. You have your image, only the image. Now with this, now you should be able to download the image. Just click on, let's see. Okay, it's either okay, you can copy it. Even if you're not able to download it, say copy image. You understand? Copy it and paste it. Where do you paste it? You just go to your paint in your system, paint, and click on paint, click on paste here. Now you have this image. Now adjust it so that you'll be able to copy it. Okay, let me make it bigger so that we'll be able to do it well. You see? So this is it. Now you can copy it. How do you copy it? Click on select here on this window. Click on select, and then you know where you want to copy from. Just what is it called? highlight by, when you click on select, you click on your left mouse on your system and you drag it, and I think this place is okay. Then you click on crop. So you have only the image left. Now with this, what you do is just save it, but you can still reduce the image because the image is very big. You can reduce it. How do you reduce it? Click on reduce it, click on resize. You know, this is the size, the original size. So you remove, you go to pixels, and then you click on, let's say this one is about 670. So just reduce it by hand. Click, remove this highlight here, this mark here, so that you can change it to any size you like, or you leave it, maintain its aspect ratio, and click on, let's just say type 300. You understand? As you type 300, it has reduced the image. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, it's not too good because, so we click on undo and make it, since we are reducing it, let's resize again. Okay, say 300, then 300, you remove, do aspect ratio, okay, 300. Okay, it reduces to 300 by 300, I think so. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, this is not good, this is not good. Resize again. Oh, sorry, it was on pixels, or on percentage instead of pixels. Sorry. So this is how you do it. 300. Okay, it should be better by now. Alright, this is it. So you have your image. You have your image. You know, this one is, this size is okay. You can easily upload it. You know, to, if you want to sell your products, you just use it. And if you want to, you can also create a video. You can also search for videos online. You know, most of them don't allow video, but just like I said, you can also do the same thing with videos. You understand? Just go and highlight it and copy it. You know, when you allow it, click on the link, you see the video, just download it, and that is it. You have your image that you want to use and advertise on your WhatsApp or Facebook. Alright, this, we are going to be rounding up this particular video here. I just wanted to show you that. In the next video, I will also be showing you how you can contact any of the sellers. I will give you their phone numbers. I will show you the phone numbers. Already in my first video I showed you. I'm going to show you the phone numbers where you can copy them, and then you can, you know, get their address and contact them. So that is it for this particular video. God bless you richly.